Hi everyone, welcome back to the Etsy edit. I'm going to show you how to create a really cute, really simple Etsy banner today, and it's going to take you no time. All you need is Canva and you can sign up for free, and that is about it. So let's get to it. You're going to go into Canva and you're going to type in Etsy banner. You're going to hit templates. When you do that, I was in my designs, and you're gonna pick just whichever one comes up. Unless you like one of these, then you can use one of those, but we're not gonna use the templates today because we want our store to stand out. So we're gonna delete all of that, and you are gonna put in your color. I'm gonna speed up this part so it's not so boring. Okay, so this would be where you would put in your logo. So for the sake of the video, I'm going to change everything to match my logo. I'm not sure what font I used for that logo, but it doesn't matter. So you would use the same font or something similar, and you are going to type what you sell on the top. So I'm just going to put what the Etsy edit is. So tutorials, and I spelled that so wrong. Tutorials. Oh. I like that one better. That's more legible. So we're going to stick with that one, just like that. Okay. So I'm going to write another thing. So if you just sell one item, you can just put that in the middle. You don't have to put it like all the way to the side like I did. But I'm going to do tutorials, how-tos. Okay. And we're going to do over here. Okay. Everything Etsy, right? So you can put like emojis in between them to make them look cute or whatever. If you wanted to do like hearts, you can do that. Or if you want to do it for a certain holiday, you can put those there if you wanted to. Like, that looks kind of cute. So you can do that if you want. If not, you can just leave it with the text. However you wanted to do it. I think it looks kind of cute like that. And then you are going to put, oops, I didn't mean to delete that, guys. You're going to put your socials down here. So if you have a website, I don't have a website currently, but if I did, I would put the etsyedit.com in the middle. I think I'll leave that in the middle. And then we can do your socials. So, and you would bring in the icon and you would put it to the left or to the right, wherever you wanted to put it. You can duplicate this text so it looks the same. And you're going to put your Instagram handle. So you would put at the Etsy edit, whatever your store was or your business. And you can just shrink that down a little bit. Doesn't need to be so big for this. And you're going to want to make sure it's like lined up. Now, you can make these whatever colors you want, whatever fonts, and it's super easy and it takes no time. So that's for Instagram. If you had another social media account, you could put it on this side. So for the sake of the video, I'm going to put Facebook, which I can put right there. Okay. Let's make it a little smaller. I like that, and I'm just going to use the same handle for the sake of the video, but you guys get the idea. Now you have your banner. It looks super cute, and all you have to do now is make sure everything is spelled correctly, everything is correct. So then when you're ready to download it, you can go to the top right corner to share, download, and you're going to keep it at that, and you can do download. Perfect. And you're going to want it to be a PNG or a JPEG file, so this is perfect. And it's saved. And it's going to look super cute. Let's open it up so you can see. There you go. There's your banner. Super easy, super cute. You can even change out the colors to be like for Christmas, for Valentine's Day, whatever you wanted. An affordable way. You don't have to buy one off of Etsy or some other platform. So thank you guys, and I'll see you again.